In this video, I'll show you how to use ClickUp as a beginner. ClickUp is a project management and productivity tool that helps you organize tasks, projects, documents, deadlines, and team communication in one place. It can be used for personal planning, business workflows, client projects, content calendars, software development, and much more. First, open ClickUp and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, you will see your workspace. The workspace is the main area where everything is organized. If you are using ClickUp with a team, your team members, projects, and tasks will all be managed inside this workspace. Next, it helps to understand ClickUp's structure. A workspace can contain spaces. Spaces can contain folders. Folders can contain lists, and lists contain tasks. For example, you might have a space called marketing, a folder called social media, a list called Instagram content, and tasks for each post you need to create. To create your first task, open a list and click New Task. Enter a task name, add a description, assign it to yourself or a team member, and set a due date if needed. You can also add priority, tags, comments, attachments, and checklists. ClickUp also gives you different views. The list view is great for simple task management. Board view is useful for moving tasks between stages like to do, in progress, and complete. Calendar view helps you see deadlines, while docs are useful for notes, plans, and project instructions. As you work, update task statuses so you can track progress. You can also use comments to communicate, mention teammates, and keep project discussions connected to the right task. For beginners, start simple. Create one space, one list, and a few tasks. Once you are comfortable, explore templates, dashboards, automations, custom fields, and time tracking. ClickUp may look detailed at first, but once you understand the basic structure, it becomes a powerful system for keeping your work organized and easier to manage. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.